Hey guys, Shaph Sassy here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, hello, welcome. And if you are a loyal Sassy one, what's up guys? Thank you so much for coming back. You guys are supposed to get used to this now. We're on episode 2 of 876 Roommates, as you guys can see by the title. So I will be doing a reaction as well as a review on 876 Roommates. As we all can see, I would say that 876 Roommates is more like I think that all of the influencers are down to earth. It's just that you have more of it's let's just say that the social house is more uptown than 876 Roommates. I'm more like the challenges though on 876 Roommates, to be honest, because they're more fun. I don't know what the next challenge is going to be on episode 2, but let's hope it's more adventurous and stuff like that. But I prefer the challenges on 876 Roommates. It's more like rough, you know, and it's more challenging. Like you don't think of stuff like that, like to catch a whole like pig. Who the hell would have thought about that for a challenge, right? No. But anyways, let's jump right into the review and just me reacting to it. It's my first time watching it. It's usually, I don't try to watch the episodes until I'm in front of you guys, so you guys can see my reaction as well as me just reviewing it and telling you guys my thoughts about it. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a whole other friend. You didn't have to, but you did, and I'm grateful to watch that is. So yeah, let's head into the video. All right, so episode 2, Get a Gourmet. It's 40 minutes, so let's jump into it.
Courage was then put to the test when each team had to catch, kill, and pluck a chicken. At the end of the chaos, a clear winner wasn't able to be determined at that time. We will review the footage and we will announce the winner on the next episode of 876 Roommates. Another long day of challenges away, so everyone needed to be up extra early to hit the road.
But everybody is scattered all about that house, so I can't get to a direct location, so I'm trying to when I go. Yo, red flash. Stop camera. Man, be man, that's just where you go. So yes, sir, to be in the wrong room. Sorry. Come on, so get the little girl in section. After that, no, but you know where like a value more than woman and a kid or. Yeah, the dog's there. Hey man, they knock out. That's beer snoring me out here. Mans.
Same can't go there.
There's something else I like to say and kill it. So when I fill the door and wait them up, then pull the door, so I'm sorry, then come out. I'm not saying how long I'm going to 5, 10, that's so. I try to come on the room. You say alright then, I'm going downstairs to Eagle Boss and Baba Jelly room now. Yo, looking at me right now. Still first team tired.
Wow.
You see me?
And
the man come beat on the door like him a staff member. And he's just a cat. Not like them style, brother. Wake up her like another JDF, mate. Jeremy.
Everybody did them clothes from the other night team.
You know, wake up first, me I tell you, so tired yesterday. You see, pick pen, no normal, me I tell you, this is the work day, you know.
Yeah, but I used to wake up to 6 o'clock in the early morning.
Yo.
Ready for today, boy. Just want the tank full up first. Is me? Want the tank full ready.
So me come so early, you know man. I ain't you know man. So like how Dina and Val and everybody actually wake up to send 2 of the horses them for go back to wake them up in like a minute or so, because me that things to do with my room.
Morning.
I wake up early morning, about 5, 6 o'clock. Feel what? You can't let me sit there. Yeah, you're strong, man. Wake up! Well, look, I like how you run out at them. Full force like cartel at stick. Going at Movado. I like that.
Yeah, look like Nora cooking sleep.
What is it?
You see if them girl that did that man, no pack up them, you know.
What is it?
They never tell the sheet off or roll up on the sheet of hiding face. You know, so bro, they never tell us so we can have a good sleep on the public hospital bed and then give it.
Public hospital bed. You hear them also about it?
This is wake up. Morning, Nina.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I know. Wake up the man there, man.
I go sister sleep out good bed. Next day waking. I don't like these stuff says. Call my name. So sweet, wake up. You don't need to bang at my door.
Okay.
Now everyone's awake, dressed and ready to go.
Yeah, man, so they're the boss. Already forgot the pound next China, but you hear say, yo, cooking challenge are going, you know what I mean? I said, Jaja.
Boss, they say I'm big chef, you know. Do it today.
So to the boy, because they could lose the first challenge, me I try to boost him up back, because you see me guys are you to have talent, you know.
Chef, you know, man.
I'm still asleep.
Chef, the cow, remember the cow?
I appreciate the neighbor boss. He's very motivated. I like that. We never talk about chef later. There's a video that I make on Instagram. So he really think I'm a professional chef, but no, bro, nothing like that. I can't cook, bro.
Oh no. Hope them not make him. Hope
The
him not
first
make them
stop for
lose.
today's challenge takes us to Falmouth Market, located in Trelawney.
I'm going to Falmouth Market. I'm going to place this.
It's my home ground. So nobody can come in and night something. I don't have it, and I don't tell my team, so don't worry yourself, because I want to touch Falmouth a few times.
It's a nanny.
It's called Black Maroon.
Yeah, we can cook though. So it's not about you being with the iron.
We are on location in Falmouth, Trelawney, at the Falmouth Market for the first part of today's challenge. It's called Ghetto Gourmet.
Ghetto gourmet, I didn't know what is that.
Could you please explain that in a sentence, please?
Ghetto Gourmet is the creation of a 5-star meal on a low budget.
First thing first, we count.
I think sausage and from still get to, you know, you get to still good. I can do something. No, so I'm not going to the kitchen. I must cook, I cut up some vegetables and some things.
The contestants will be given 10 minutes to source all their food in the market before going to the kitchen to cook. But only 2 team members from each team will be allowed to go at any given time. You can buy whatever you want. If you want to buy chicken back, chicken foot, chicken mackerel, just make sure when you're done, you present it as a 5-star meal.
I know, when I say the whole comedy, when I say I come to market skit, they must say we are going to cook. And they call it creative cooking. What next verse?
No.
We have a female outside.
That's
You see
good.
me, someone said, yes, where you can cook.
The only thing come to my mind, kill. Don't come in and stop my credit run down.
Can't cook that. Can't cook tonkan meal and stop, man. Tonkan meal.
So shall I cook some?
Yes, stop my credit.
Run down. I said, yes, I know people here feed, man. Tonkan, where you cook tonkan me like you want with pork. But them some little feed pan killing, man. Nobody bring it over here, so.
I just got no trust for now. Get it from my mother at home. I told her this about 15 years old. Trust me.
So we just go down and you're going to take a good thing and I'm going to cook.
You know, the good thing when you get run, brother.
Listen, cook your tonkan me and put the portion in there and bring it out. Please cook like you cook for your husband or your baby before they eat and then we have.
Here you should pick them.
I know when I get the points for chicken, you know. You see me? So we lose.
No, make you look that down, you know. Oh God, that's shaka nice.
Smell the fragrance.
I got it under control. I got it. I definitely got it.
They got 10 minutes.
No, I feel me place. Stop it, no man. Look for them, make themselves for food. They don't see.
But timing is everything.
Thank you.
Whether your place or not your place, timing is everything.
But she either feel all on him.
You know what guy will be black? You sure?
What the chicken them say? What the chicken them say? Yo! No, you have to go tell my boy, say, whenever we are going to right now, get Steve.
Hold on, go get the meat first. Yeah, come on, Rasta.
When we can get some mackerel.
Why is he not? I hate this. Where's the urgency? I feel like them should have one man with like a walk back to them and them something.
Hurry, please, can't take a ride. What's up, mackerel? Yo, give me a pound of chicken, please.
Them depend some little dainty thing, but give me a half pound of salt mackerel. Where I make ghetto gourmet and dog. We not depend the little some rough thing with the pan. Yo, give me a pound of chicken.
Yeah,
Everybody come off and go and like say them come and order, come and done order already.
First, when Mr. Tommy come here, we get curb, come in and like it.
But dog talk to me away and I go deal him away, you understand? Because my head acting a dog.
I didn't know this. Tell her what them should have do. Tell her what them should have do. Them should have make one team member stay here, order it. Then the next team, send the next team member to go get the tomato, the salt, the you understand what I say? And then them stay in line, right? Well, them could have been a blind still, but come after the other teammate, them like, that's unfair. I don't like that. I'm sure that took up whole heap of time.
Yo, me just want to get the mackerel and cut because we depend on timing. That never.
Just move from Tommy coming on like it.
Two times I will look at him load, him load for real.
Hey, I want to do.
Then just attack over me, yeah. But as me say, we don't have the mic, we don't have the power, we have it.
You got me a bad mind, I'm going to curb against them. So I'm going to say, alright, then make them shop. I'm going to lock him up, keep him step on my place.
Choose this to we have. Put it. Choose this to we have.
We have to get rice, also we have to rice with it.
Hey, who have rice? What?
I'm going to have to cook it up for her. Give me.
Who have rice?
So then,
we can't get 3 or 4. Jesus Christ!
So when we do it on daytime or Sunday daytime, or Wednesday, on a market day, Wednesday, mommy, you do it today? Rough it, because we couldn't do it. Yo, I feel accomplished, G. Because I get all of the things them from outside.
So our people watching now?
Yeah.
We have changed up the dish because we know everybody have to probably go mackerel and probably go this and probably go that. They want to go extra food. But watch now? They want to go cook some only things so we have to do quick and fast and nice and sweet.
You know?
You see me?
Pine beef croquettes, real gourmet.
Yeah, real gourmet.
who that girl, where she come from? She look like a one of the model them. Who she have doing at the challenge?
Let's show them step. What we have cook?
We work a Pegasus, okay. They said they could have bought blood to them. Fifthly, I got a ton carnel.
Pegaware.
In a knapsack bag right there, so yeah? When get round there, so I'm not qualified.
Him not qualified, boy, I love.
Anyhow, I see me use a carnel there. I have use a carnel. No. But if you're qualified, yeah.
Now that all teams have gathered their ingredients, it's time to head to the kitchen, but not before one final stop.
Contestants, we're on location at the Greenwich Supermarket, which is located in Green.
I just feel like the host is supposed to look different from everybody else in the competition. She does look regular. She need to look. Why would they think say social house now have no budget, but 876 roommates? We don't know about that budget something there, cause our makeup just look like from black smoky eye all the time, which I maybe she do it. And she's supposed to look different. She have on the same 876 roommates shirt as everybody else. Oh God.
St. James for the continuation of the Ghetto Gourmet Challenge. I need one member of each team that did not enter the market to step forward.
I want to bring out the super human, which is I and I.
These three before me, you have 5 minutes to enter the supermarket and collect any 2 food items that will help to elevate your dish.
We have faith in an able boss because so when you look on him and there's a company that just see him fat, you're more likely think like he's a chef. So to see him face of calf and those stuff, you just are able boss.
Remember, you must use both in the completion of your meal. Let's begin.
Them don't have no knowledge, them don't have no chef skills, they don't understand what I want, so we are teach them, bro. Easy does it, simple and make it act like it's like me against my son, them and me and do them son.
We don't really need nothing more than the milk powder. We buy coconut, but you gotta take off some time.
We need that time to execute this and to show them what we do. What to them?
So already knowing what my teammates initially had planned to cook, we know exactly what we're going.
You can never step forward. You complain now, you do
Oh, we don't get enough time.
Me decide, say, alright, them a cook salt mackerel. Them say them a go mash potato, and them say them a go, well again, you didn't remember, but only thing that on my mind is the mashed potato and the salt mackerel. We know say when we are dealing with mashed potato, we're gonna need butter.
Okay. Garlic butter would have been nice.
My team, they don't have everything already, you know. How we boil everything simmer? What's the juice?
All of me is a beer 5 and like female tired.
That was fine, so often spicy.
Me and my team know so I can spice steam sausage.
You can get the mayonnaise and the bacon.
What? See the audio bad.
Look at the mayonnaise right now.
So I get the butter. Them never have no black pepper. So me decide, say, alright, I want black pepper. It spice up my pot.
Always salt.
Isn't it?
With salt. Ketchup. Okay, tomato.
Yeah, skip from aisle to aisle to aisle to aisle to aisle to aisle and try to put the mayonnaise and someone is still up on in 5 minutes business. Like you don't want to water up in throat.
Mayonnaise there. Oh, like this?
No, that's a ranch, nigga.
Quality over quantity. A brand new look for.
Sure. You know, shake up. Just get the biggest.
Bro, there's nothing else.
So all you take 3 stuff.
Don't worry about that. Go along there. Then put teeth, you know.
Don't worry about that.
You can pick up 3 items and people them say 2 items. You have to inform.
When you say 3, a 3 that you left, 2 items. Yes, 2 items. 2 items.
You put teeth in go they don't fall and feel the truth so innocent, you see me?
Actually, I'm innocent for you. I want to go with it, but me I left it.
When am I going to plaster the mayonnaise for what? The rice? The flour? When Mr. London take up the chiffon butter, I don't know what kind of recipe they might create. And when they say, when me able or when one call himself, I don't respond to them take up butter some run belly dish they might create or prepare.
Run belly.
Ingredients.
It's really not a secret. Like.
Them not no juice, them belly bust.
Belly bust up.
I want to see what am I going to do with this now. And them girls better make sure so them can cook.
Contestants, we are here at Island Flavor Restaurant, Bar and Grill in Greenwood, St. James for the completion of the Ghetto Gourmet Challenge.
Now, 2 members from each group will go into the kitchen and prepare their best ghetto gourmet dish.
You will have 30 minutes to complete this challenge.
What you know? I have to the hot.
So Kim never assistant chef. So she grabbed the start of it and she started dealing with it. This show me say we are gonna make a bully beef croquette.
Them only cooking in France and them high class country. They're not cooking in a local place.
Let me explain to you. I'm cooking coconut chicken. Me know say me are gonna prepare the chicken. Start cut up the chicken, slice up the chicken like Jackie Chan and them people. They ain't in Karachi.
Never said that before.
Lexi start get the rice open and then some of it.
This is how you wash rice.
So to Lexi come back so quick with the rice, I wonder if the rice wash good.
Okay,
you wash it good?
Yeah, man, wash it good.
Can you see nothing in face?
Loud outburst. No loud outburst, please. Thank you.
Right.
Nice pollution.
Yeah.
In my ears, dog. You can't put a leash on him.
I'm loud, man.
You see the coconut mess up. This never go deal with a Lando cost this thing.
They say if Lando did buy the milk powder, we wouldn't have the problem.
Yeah.
You have to do some cut up coconut to go blend coconut.
Yeah. If I want to that still, but it take up time.
So the blending and go on and them thing there. I keep my time steaming me when I move fast in my head because I watch the clock.
Yeah, so you have to pre-plan while you have something right.
But not to lie, you see this was a challenge. Because we're cooking at 30 minutes in our surrounding where you're not used to.
Yeah.
Me have to run go so, me have to run go so, me have to bake pot cover, me have to do this, me have to do that. It's stress out.
I'm sure have a smaller kitchen.
Rumbling as the man I cook chicken in 30 minutes.
Real.
Then better have browning. Prepare the chicken and get it home, want it soaking and marinate and all that. I think the time was a little bit too short.
Yeah, you should have.
Just find the aisle, please. No, this is good.
Yeah, I kill a backup cooker, so whatever I want, I reach it to him.
Right.
What are you going to do with this?
Teamwork.
Oh, we don't want too much in there.
Yeah,
we don't want over, yeah.
Girl, like, she had tried to put some more things in the rice. Like a rice and peas she had put.
Maybe we should have spice it up.
Take your time and put the thing there.
First and foremost, cooking, I don't really mind people. No, I can draw cup soup, ramen, boil tea bag, nothing else. There is a tough man.
Make sure your job is to cut up the thing there and make sure it's the table clean.
I can work with him. He might motivate me more to just put on my best in the kitchen.
I'm gonna chamba up the orange. Hey, where in the country you come from? You never peel orange yet?
Nothing wrong. Well, you better feel things like
Wait, put that up. Yeah, expert Pantone Kanye. I know what I do Pantone Kanye. Well, Baba J never been out to coconut, but I don't tell no lie.
I said, okay, you move so fast, I'll put in things in the pot and I never tell her to do that. It's like a man in a competition and she feel help me, but she move too fast, I need the head chef. You make me happy when I put this on. See the butter fine and the body has first. Lando, we buy butter for Lando, we buy butter for Lando. What? Butter, believe in yourself, Lando.
Good.
We have to need all the flour, and we never have no roll, and I say, hey, I use a bucket. Use the bucket and roll it out. Now people don't say, yeah, white boy, creative. Yes, yeah.
Man, I press with buckle.
For them to empty boy make the most night.
That is right.
They don't want to cook in night, you know, so just done fully enough and understanding as to what I want.
You see, you take a water bottle and use it to roll out the door. I'm pretty simple for that.
Let's do something else. Them should have him do something else.
It's a chicken. I'm kind of worrying about, but a lot of chicken cook you can't eat it because, it's too early if you're trying things like the chicken or cooking it. Hey, don't mind over me. Don't do that stuff.
Look at them, look at what they look. They're confused, they can't take no way to talk about them.
Sit down, put the chicken 5 minutes and then throw the coconut powder in it. That's not cooked, bro.
I want to take the person and just throw the oil in their face because when I'm talking about team member focus on what I'm doing.
Right.
Coconut chicken.
I mean the chicken. Yeah, cooking that dirty chicken. Cooking that dirty minute.
Group leader is so illiterate, but he's the one with the big mouth. But most of the world are just calm down yourself for rules. The people are so really silent.
Yo, chicken still white. Yeah, me too. Yeah, work.
Girl dog over there just shut off the mouth. Feel calming over there, so don't try, brother. Like it's been a go through desert.
So time I run at this time right now one thing on me a friend. I mean I said, Jesus Christ. What is the time? I look like we should cook the chicken and make it small.
No shit, that's what I thought you were doing.
You know, start making like some holy for extra salt on it, you see me? So when I get the first boil, you see me? Alright. So after this now, we're going to transfer some warm water or cold water. Which one then? Warm water we are putting in.
Why would you put something where you come out of hot water and hot water? You don't want to cool it down? You have to find cool water, brother. You don't know what kind of question that they man ask. One time they make the brain freeze.
Yeah, probably okay, a cold water for
pick it up, put like a coconut milk right now and you get it boiled up properly right now with the seasoning and everything there.
That be a trash me I see. Do you know what is salt mackerel? Come like it's salt mackerel. Me know say salt mackerel go in a pot whole but it come back in a mince meat. And the salt mackerel look clean. So the salt mackerel go in a pot will last. More seasonal salt mackerel.
Exactly.
Mama is not no chef. Give me never did it. Run down with a beef. Soup. Run down soup.
No star, look there.
You never really used to the key thing for the bully beef because my key they ever last. So I have to use it, a knife and knock it. You know what our style?
Yeah.
That's a bully beef for cut with knife! Do that way you do! So I want to use number. After you use knife, we have to get on board.
Come on, bro. Dino!
Oh wow, that's creative.
I believe in you. If you
It not do.
and it is fun, I will fire you off the team.
Oh, him should have seasoned. More on that pot, nigga.
Dino, man. Wicked. Come go over there and look for Dino, and say, come here, Dino is an Espanola. In my bully beef and some flicky thing, that's a wow.
More on that pot, Dino.
Come in, rice. Rice, are you here good, man?
Now people think I did the chicken that on my nerves. Are the people that where I talk, like the word puppy where I talk. They're just the rice.
I'm not word puppy, I word
rice. Man, like doesn't look like it needs some vitamin, you understand?
You need a bag to put over there, right? You need a bag, come on, put that bag over there. Working on which you call tonkan, which is a menu item that we have here. She may dry up the tonkan, no she says she want water. Only she feel like at the supermarket, she there buy the something there, they look at tea mix them, we say just add water.
Please, man, switch it over. Just put run down alone with piece of bread. I just tell them say bread and run down. The thing can't make thing now go work.
No, me got this. Me know me got this. Me a tonkan queen.
No, when I come in our kitchen.
I like that they're garnishing well.
I like that one.
Yeah, man.
I like that one. Nah, I like that one. Give me my boo with the ear, put them. Me not bash a ton car, but when I look me and say, Jesus Christ, look how dog food turn white people food.
Right now, we da invest me all and open a restaurant and sell that alone to our dish bossy.
Let's hope it tastes good, there.
Let's take a little time and do what we have to do, see me?
Contestants, it was amazing watching each and every one of you use your creativity to execute this challenge. But now it's time for our judges to decide on execution, presentation, and taste. Sunshine Warriors, tell us what you've made.
So our dish, I'm gonna say ghetto cuisine, so that's tonka meal with rundown, with salt mackerel, and we save the coconut water so we can wash off in the heart. See what we do now?
I know when the judge get this right now, are the best them I gonna ever have. If I did this, Judas, everyone on the table, only betray Jesus.
I like the flavor of the salt mackerel rundown. It's not too salty, clearly boiled it off enough, so that's good.
Tonka meal is a bit too dry.
Anybody when know nothing about tonka meal, know say you have to serve it hot. The people they make it plate, sit down a friend with breeze.
Yeah, it needed more flavor for me.
See, Judge Kimi call like you never see now. Kimi when I'm anti-Japan.
The polenta is very dry to me as well.
If you didn't hear me when it hot, it wouldn't dry. Who name cool food and it hot? Hey man, don't stress me out.
Baba J, you say, yeah, chef. I better didn't know cook the McLaren, so all we can cook.
As for the salt mackerel rundown, on point. I'll give you an 8 for that.
Next up, Black Maroons.
Alright, right now we have coconut chicken and butter rice. And to wash it down, we have tropical mango and pine.
Them man not gonna eat off no whole of that food, yeah. I say them not gonna suck no bone or no. So them not get too no part or no. When I take off the top, we're done soak already in the coconut sauce and everything.
For me, the rice is a bit undercooked. Yeah. The chicken is cooked actually.
Raw, not ready.
I've actually cut this entire piece of chicken all the way through and you've actually cooked it through there.
Blood of fly. Like when you watch karate show, them cut the karate man, they can be a blood of fly, brother.
Like they just kill the chicken and sleep. And just put him in a pot and take him out back. You know, see, judge a vampire.
There's nothing that's undercooked, which I'm surprised by considering the size and the time that you had to do it in.
See, but so people cook for only then that means on the belly run one heap of time, then I them thing don't use too.
Me never taste it. Killer never taste it. But tell Killer said don't taste it, let the judge taste it. Yeah. Right? Yeah. We don't need to taste it because if any little thing for go on, I them would happen to first.
It's future reference. If you're not sure if it's been thoroughly cooked, double check it before you give it to other people because people can die.
Finally, now we have Green Islanders.
Right now, I present to the judge right now. You know what I mean? Corn beef croquettes. Yeah, corn beef croquettes. Some look flair and some look different thing, you know. Dino, don't give me no drinks to drink. I have drinks in my water. Good thing we have water.
Dino don't bring them tough, can rock a window. Hardcore windows and doors. With no burger bar.
Not even the far couldn't go in at the floor to show you how the floor is tough. So I know so we're not in a competition with them.
One drink for three man, I don't understand how that works.
Your croquette is actually tasting good. Wish it was a bit softer. It's hard to fight through with the knife. Even though we have the knife, it's hard to cut.
You don't even fry good man. If half I go fry and half not fry, you know really better.
The fact that I decide for this, yeah. I take my hat off to you because I would not have done this in a competition in half an hour.
Them need to stay out of the kitchen. What is that? Stick to your little phone editing, bro.
In third place, we have the green team with 57.5 points.
Right now, nobody chat to me, you know. Nobody chat to me because right now, I feel like I let down myself. Nobody chat to me.
You see, one time I throw with the pig, you bash me in the top with me and dance with the pig. What kind of style that? If you record that, you know, so that would have much better. You gotta have too much subject, and that's what you know at this point.
In second place, we have the yellow team with 59.5 points. You realize how close that is? And so the winners.
I'm surprised they win with the undercooked
with 62.5 points.
With the undercooked rice.
Always win.
When you could have do is say, alright, we're tired. Because for them chicken and bleed, our tongue calm in top. And Dino crazy, don't bring them a crawl out of pot like crab.
Yeah, like, I was really hoping for the people them. Because them say it dry, but what about the flavor? I think, like, what?
Nobody wins.
Yo, this is a real support.
Congratulations, Black Maroons, for winning the Ghetto Gourmet Challenge. So for your prize today, as you can see, you'll be getting from Aspen Luxury Suites a weekend stay for all 5 of you. In addition to that, you'll also be getting transportation to get to your location. Thank you. So a big thank you to Aspen Luxury Suites for this amazing prize. And again, congratulations to Black Maroons. Y'all enjoy your stay. Don't mash up the people in car. Take on the time and drive.
Missy Kimmy gonna cry. And I said, look at the big woman crying because we won.
Seriously?
Over there balling, cow balling too, you know?
If the man they tell me say, Killer, your chicken never win and all of that, me couldn't do nothing. Me da probably run little jokes, but me da done by now.
Me tell you, 10 times the stashman can give me around the neck that they are pendant or that, me tell you. Stashman, me have my money. No, never tell you the truth. Our group of always knows as a hero.
Group leader is so illiterate, but he's the one with the big mouth.
Over chicken.
Yeah, look.
Wow.
Let me give him a scared face. Let me give him a scared face.
At first, I never really take it like it was nothing, like, you know, me think I just like competition thing and stuff.
Right.
I lost the cup, brother. Oh, God, now. Give it to me. If you like on the cards, for real.
I'm gonna start getting find out, say,
it's a real thing.
We're gonna get serious.
Yeah, well, listen. I'm gonna put all this back there.
That, him surprised him win. Him surprised. Me not tell them they know about yourself. No, you are Fox.
Yeah, but Fox, me think we not gonna be the second. But we are winners and we don't give one fuck.
I was actually thinking they'd come second too, because them did have the undercooked rice. Everything else was fine with the first, with the second place people, them with the ton corn meal, and the other one, them say it was seasoned okay. The only thing I say it was probably just cold. Ton corn meal really can't eat cold still, like if you look on it. A corn meal, that shit will get tough. So them should I think about all of that. Oh boy. But for Shaph, yeah, bad though, boy. It's serious.
Anytime none of them win, me I go on with beer things, and when me not see it unfair, me I just kick out all them boy, you know. How them boy, man? When man win before you congratulate and all of that. Yeah, try up for man. You can't try up for man winning.
Anytime we win, they not congratulate, they must have better, but we are winners.
Wow.
Me look for the chicken itself. You want to see red face them? Run up.
Left on my way, I go and it just rest. I couldn't do without talk about it. So me have to chat to Val, I swear.
But man, first of all, rice, no boy, actually, rice already. The rice already.
Chill a bill of rice, could I bust your throat?
Let's say curry chicken, why you fuck? Alright, and you're going to be a 2 million fight.
Coconut chicken.
After that raw, the chicken just refreshing and the coconut juice running down and everything just step. I don't know which blood him see. I don't know why I'm talking. I make him feel nice and
it's coconut chicken.
First of all, me not see them by season. Where they get season from? Who buy season? I saw the folks here. Brother, I saw the man that put on the chicken, brother.
When Dina talk and me disagree, Dina stays up. The only thing Dina left to do, I saw. Only thing him left to do, I stay so the war start.
Yeah.
If he swallow the rice that, ambulance come for a spot.
We are winning, Dina. Relax yourself. And stop going like say, yeah, roll out.
We don't know
they want 2 million points to the judges them so them can go. We don't have corona, we don't have flu, we have all type of disease that go already. And this man here want points to the judge them I expect them to win. I want to bad man. Him know nothing about cooking. Him know nothing about cooking.
Can go and chat.
Are you cook? Let's go on. Are you cook? Here where am I say? Here where am I say? Are you?
Brother, just easy yourself, brother. Chill out.
Don't say nothing.
No, but I mean, you might talk about him want to kill off the people them. Like the man said, one of the judges did say that, hey, you can't really just give people food like that because I think, I understand Manila. When the food raw, you have to know. But him surprised the food did cook. Me surprised too. I thought the chicken was gonna be undercooked. So I'm very surprised that the chicken was cooked. That's crazy to me. That is crazy to me. But him have the audacity to say other people want to poison people. But him rice did raw. But not raw, but it was undercooked. So what is he saying? I feel like the rundown should have win. It did kind of. I feel like the rundown should have win because the rundown was cooked. The only thing is that it was dry, but it got dry because it was raw. It was cold. I got have a dry vibe because it was cold. And then them said not the rundown, the cornmeal. And them said the rundown was fine. I think that should have won. Dinner food, tough, as them say. Everything else was cooked fine on the first, on the one day. So I just don't get it. I feel like they should have won. I feel like they should have won. Alive.
No, say that. Oh, you cook chicken at 1 second? Big bloody chicken. You want to see how the judge a roll out him mouth like thunder like a chicken sweet.
But all them attack, we the win. I realize this really is not a comedy show. Because earlier I said a creative cooking, and now we choose it left from creative to badness cooking.
First of all, you're surprised that you win. Not gonna come give me no. I'm surprised that I take the bully beef out of the thing. I get them raw. I'm surprised. First of all, yeah. Seasoning to the pound of chicken. Yeah, eat that. This big old seasoning I'm gonna chew it like. So the chicken look. So eat the chicken black. Yeah, but we not get 2 million pies. We not get.
No, but yeah, like I'm thinking about the whole tomato poison too. What I mean, I say about the tomato poison for real. You know, me like preach when I do that, take it out of the can. Him never even season the bully beef. He did not season the bully beef. Me never see him season the bully beef. Him just take it out. I'm just see the next clip say put it in the flour. Everything I eat right now. Have it white.
Split it. The judge tell the idiot say half cook and half not cook. Me cook my chicken and it a burn them. Who don't mind him just chop off. Vex man, for real, vex. I feel, yeah, no man going go all asleep.
I feel like all of that was unnecessary. The whole excitement. I mean, like, if you never win and you feel like say you win, you can just say, yo, I mean, you win that still, but XYZ. I mean, get over it, guys. Like, but it's still no, not really just annoying me with all of that excitement. Like, it was so unnecessary, but I guess, you know, they're kind of probably in the drama. I'm not for that. But let me know what you guys think, because really just, I guess people like a little bit of excitement. That's what people are there for, you know what I mean? Like the loudness. I don't even know, where was World Dog? Where World Dog? I'm gonna just see, like the last clip I saw of him was him walking off and fanning off everybody. What the hell? What in the actual hell? Even loud, I guess that's what makes him his money. People don't, I guess people don't usually tell him that he's loud, but that's how he makes his money. That's how he collects his bag. So if he's gonna be loud and he's gonna collect him bag, then it is what it is. But this is definitely the, I wouldn't say ghetto version, but it is not as uptown and like kosher as the social host. Like, you know, you're not bad words in it. It's more raw and it's more like reality TV. There's kind of less editing. You see, honestly, the cameraman, which I'm sure that's what like real reality TV kind of is about. And people love to see stuff like that. You know, people love to see drama. So, I mean, let me see how much views this one have versus episode 2 on the social host, because I know people just love the drama. Alright, so episode 2 for the social host has 226k views, while episode 2 for 876 Roomates has 441 views. 441,000 plus. Yeah, it kind of lead, and I know it's because of the drama. I know it's because of the amount. It's more influencers. So definitely that's what it's all about. But I mean, all in all, it's okay production. The cameras need to be brighter. It's kind of dark when it's not supposed to be. I really like the production for the social host better, because you know, the camera team, you know, it's lit when it's supposed to be lit. Like, I guess because it's more planned, like, you know, the pans as well as, you know, whoever is walking in. So because they know that, okay, that person is walking in, they're gonna make sure that the lighting is good. This not really have that go on, because even when they were in the supermarket, them not even have like a lighting man behind them around. It's like, it was just raw footage, like how me I film right now for you guys. It's just raw, like it's just raw footage. But people love that, and that sells. Like, realness sells, and I guess that's why, you know, the views are better. But let me know if you guys agree with what I'm saying, and comment below what was your favorite part of 876 Roommates episode 2, and let me know what you think. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. You didn't have to, but you did, and I'm super grateful. I will definitely see you in episode 3 for the reviews as well as my reaction, because this is crazy.